All right, my friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to set up your coupons. And so this one is going to be really simple, pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. Obviously, the use case for this is if you're going to offer any sort of discounts to any close friends or family, if you're running any special deals for the full moon or for whatever the planets are doing, and you want to offer a discount, this is how you can do that. So let's dive in and let's set it up. All right, so inside of our appointment types, we are going to select coupons over here on the left-hand side, and we are going to click on new coupon for appointments. And so right here, it's going to prompt you to set up your coupon code. And so let's just say we are doing something for the full moon and we want our coupon code to be full moon 50 because we are going to offer 50% off of our 1 hour aromatherapy massage. If you wanted the option to enter multiple coupon codes, if you had several of them already that you are planning for, then you can go ahead and select this option, and then you can enter one code per line, and that'll help you do that all in one. And so then it's also going to ask us for the name, and so we are going to do 50%. We're going to call this 50% off full moon special. And then down here, down below, it gives us the option of selecting whether we want to do a percentage discount or a flat rate dollar discount. So obviously for this one, we're doing a percentage, but if it makes sense for you to do a dollar discount, if that's how you're promoting your deal, your offer, then you have that option right here too. And then obviously you would want to change the code to match the number of that discount. And so for this one, we're going to do 50. And then down here, we want to select how many times this coupon code can be used. And this gives you some really neat ability here, whether you want to choose for your customers to use this only one time, if it's only something that is obviously offered just once, if there's maybe total number of uses, if you maybe you're running some sort of special deal where for the next 3 sessions that people book, they're able to get it at 50% off. And so now you can limit that deal to be used for just now 3 times, or you can use this for unlimited uses. And so that's a really neat feature right there as well. For our studio, we are able to leverage that ability to have unlimited uses of coupon codes for our practitioners. For example, if they are somebody who is coming back recurring and often, and they want to set up the next 5 events on the calendar, this gives them that ability to be able to book them without having to pay everything up front. And so again, a lot of great features that Acuity is able to offer you. And so for this one, we are going to just do just once. We're going to offer this, and then which calendar or which appointment type is this code going to apply to? And so is this going to just be for any appointment type? Oftentimes that may not be the case unless that is what you're doing, 50% off the whole store, or are you only applying this to the 1 hour aromatherapy massage, which is what we're going to do for this example. And so let's go ahead and select that one right there. And then does your code expire? So this would be something where, like, if your deal is something like you have to use the 3 coupon codes before the end of May or before the end of this month, this is where you would set that expiration date. But for this one, we're not going to set any expiration date because they can only use this once anyway. All right, so let's go ahead and save this coupon, and let's go check out what that looks like on our actual calendar. So let's go look at what our one-on-one aromatherapy 1 hour massage scheduling page looks like. And now let's go ahead and close this out. And now it gives us this button right here that we see redeem coupon. And so let's go ahead and type in what our coupon code is, full moon 50. Whether you type it in lowercase or uppercase, I think that it doesn't really matter. Actually, let's go ahead and try this lowercase because I've already tried it uppercase and it worked. Yep, whether it's lowercase or uppercase, it works. It already marked off the 50% off of my 1 hour massage, knocked it down to $75. And now your people can go ahead and continue on with their booking and get themselves all set up at 50% off. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. That was pretty straightforward. Now you are able to set up all of your coupons, run some deals, make some money, bring people in, impact more people. If you have questions on any of these things, please feel free to reach out. And also too, give me some feedback. Let me know what else you would like to see. Let me know if there is anything else that I can dive deeper into. Let me know if there's anything else that you would like some additional support on. I am happy to help. Ask the questions in the group. I'm sure if you are wondering something, there is going to be somebody else wondering the same thing. There are no stupid questions around here. We are here to help and support you as much as possible, so that you don't feel overwhelmed, so that you are able to implement all of these tools into your business, because they are so important, my friends. They are so important for you to continue to level up in your business, for you to actually be able to free yourself up a little bit so that you can work on the things that matter the most and you're not buried in, minutia. All right, my friends, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there isn't anywhere else that I can cover for this module for Acuity, so I can support you as much as I can. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.